Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use private browsing in Safari on your Mac. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and useful Mac tutorials. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Safari. At the top of your screen, click on File in the menu bar, then select New Private Window. A new window will open. This is your private browsing window. Now, anything you do in this window won't be saved. That includes your browsing history, search history, cookies, and other website data. It's perfect if you want more privacy or if you're using a shared computer. Now, if you want Safari to always open in private mode by default, here's how to do it. Click on Safari in the top menu bar, then select Settings. Go to the General tab. Next to Safari Opens With, click on the drop-down menu and choose a new private window. From now on, every time you open Safari, it will automatically launch in private browsing mode. And that's it. That's how you use private browsing in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.